So hi guys, today I will tell about how to make collage videos and side by side video playing in the kinemaster. So open the kinemaster and select the aspect ratio 16:9. Select any background as you wish. So I am selecting the blue screen for the background scope. Extend up to as you wish and select the tick marks. Go to the layer and select the any video as you like. So I am playing this video here. So I am unmuting the video for copy strikes. So I am placing this video here. So I play this video here and select the tick marks, and I will crop this some of the video in this. So select the second video screenshot. So I'll do the screenshot for the second video screen. So you first take the screen of the second video. So I make it cropped. So make it cropped and select and adjust this layer. So I am adjusted side by the video and select it, extend up to the first video layer and okay, adjusted. So select the second video. So I am selecting the second video. So adjust this video as for the photo crafted and selected. So I adjusted same for that. So adjusted and make it correct and make it unmute for this coffee strike. So I am unmuted. So all crafted and select the first video screenshot. I took the screenshot for the first video. So I make adjusting the video and will make craft and it adjust this photo craft in the first video player. So adjusted and it extend up to the second video. So I selected. So I am playing from first. See how it is. So first video is playing now and second photo video is crafted and put as. So first video is playing. So I am not so we make the craft to we make photo on the first video and select this. So make also that video in the side. So as I hope you understand the video. So please subscribe to video. Thanks for watching, and after that export the video. So this video exporting. So select the low. So I'm exporting now. So after exporting you will get the video. Thanks for watching.